you ready for juicy mince? This is everything that you're going to need, and the ingredients is in the caption. Fry some onions, add in your minced meat. Make sure you add salt as well, but I've only one hand, so I can't show you grinding it in. Add in some of the veggies. Add in some more. Chopped tomatoes. Passata. Beans. Beef stock. Secret ingredient, some chili. And again, you can't see me put this in because I'm holding the phone. Give it a good stir around. And pop a lid on. And now we start the rice. Pop a chicken stock cube into the rice. Trust me, that's a game changer. Add water. Pop a lid on. Now leave till they both cook. While I'm waiting for the juicy mince to cook, no better time to go out to the shed and fill the bags of turf. This bit is surely going to get messy, but let's see how we go. Rice goes in. I've got it all almost. Give it a good stir about. Now, would you look at that? By God, I've missed you, juicy mince. There you go. Juicy mince, 6 portions and 1 for now. You can't beat it. If you like this recipe, give me a follow.